This conference will now be recorded.
So in Power Query, we worked with column transformations and row transformations and built-in transformations. So let me first complete the Power Query. So as already we discussed, we have three tools in the Power BI: Power Query, Power Pivot, and Power View. So in Power Query, we worked with column transformations and row transformations and also built-in transformations. And let's come to the append the data. So here I have some Excel files. So here I have some files, 4 files are there. So today we'll work with append transformation. If you see each Excel sheet, it contains same table structure in April file, May, June, July files. Let me copy these CSV files. So let me copy this path. So let me load that Excel file individually. So let me first load Append file. So load this file. So first let me work with append multiple files individually with different queries, and later on we'll see append multiple files from a folder using single query, and third we'll see append the data from multiple Excel sheets. File contains multiple Excel sheets. and multiple files in folder. So first I'm working with this append the multiple files individually. So first I have taken one file into the query editor. So I have a April file, right? So let me take another file, May file. So let me load this file. So these both table structure is same. So then I can append the rows. I can append the records. So here I have append queries. So when you can append the data, when table A and table B structure should be same, then only you can append the data. Then you can append the records. Then you can append the records. Let me append queries as new. So what I'm doing, I'm combining the records of April file and May file. So to combine the records, you have to use append queries. Internally, it will use union concept. So append queries as new. The first table is April file and second file is May file. Just load this. It will create a new table which combine the April records and May records. So individually, you can append the files, append the multiple files individually with different queries. So let's come to the second one. Append the multiple files from a folder. So here I have a folder. So in this folder, I have 4 files. So let me append all these files. For that, I'm going to take folder path. So let me take source as a folder. Let me take source as a folder and give the path here. Now it will display 4 files. So let me do some modification. Let me bring that to the query editor. Okay. So here there is a icon combine files. So it will combine the 4 Excel sheet files. 4 Excel sheet files. Just click on it. It is combining April, May, June, July files. Just click on OK. it is combined all 4 files which contain same number of columns, and it is displaying 524 records. It is displaying 524 records. So that is appending the multiple files from a folder using single query. So there is another requirement in Excel files. I have 2 files here. This is the third one, third requirement. So I have 2 files here. In one file, we should do this. In one file, I have 3 sheets. I have to combine these sheets. In one file, I have 3 sheets. So I have to combine these 6 sheets because I have 2 files. In each file, I have 3 sheets. So I have to combine 6 sheets. Let me take the folder path and take the source as a folder. Let me connect. And this is the folder path here I have. So let me edit the query. So here, to extract each Excel sheet, I have to write one custom formula. Let me write the custom formula. So I want to extract each workbook from the Excel sheet. Let me take Excel dot workbook, and that workbook contains, let me pass the content as a parameter. So now I got a custom column here, contains the table. So let me click on the bi-directional. So click on that. So which will give you the 6 sheets. Of course, there is April, May, June, July, August, September. There the 6 sheets are there. So it is also displaying the duplicates also. I don't require the duplicates. Let me disable the duplicates. Okay. Now I have the 6 sheets. But where is your data? Here I have the sheet. Your data is here in this column. Again, click on that bi-directional. Now you will get the data here. You got the data here. So here I am going to use a transformation. use first row as a header. So I got the 6 files, April file, all the files I got it here. All 6 months Excel workbooks, I got it here. So this is append the data from multiple Excel sheets and multiple files in the folder. So when you can append the data, your table A and table B structure should be same. Then only you can append the data. But coming to the merge internally it will use join concept. So table A or table B structure may same or may not same. It will combine the columns. If you use the union append, it will combine the records. So the joins we'll discuss tomorrow.